Hello everyone. After watching this video, you will get to know different and unique way to say thank you to anyone. Instead of saying thank you again and again, you should say thanks a lot. Or you can say I really appreciate it. Instead of saying thank you, you can say much appreciated. You can say thank you so much. Instead of saying thank you, you can say I'm so grateful. I can't thank you enough. Or in a professional way, you can say big thanks. You can use thanks a ton or I really appreciate it. If you are having a very good relationship with the person, you can say that's so kind of you. Or simply you can say many thanks. I can't thank you enough. Okay, one more. All my love and thanks to you. You can say words can't describe how thankful I am. Please accept my best thanks. If you are very thankful to the person, you can say thanks a ton for helping out. You can simply say in a professional way thanks. Or with your friends, you can say cheers. In a professional life, you can say thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You can thanks to anyone by saying you have made my day. You are great. I am in your debt. You can appreciate someone by saying you are the best. Thank you so much. You can say thanks a million. You can say thanks to anyone by appreciating or by saying you are an angel. Thanks a bunch. You can say I don't know how to thank you. And here one more way to thank you. You can say thanks, you are the best. Keep watching my channel for my next video. Thank you.